What is going on, miners, and welcome back to the Hobbyist Miner channel. Well, today it is rig frame building day. It is something I enjoy because I throw on some music, drink a beer, and build a mining frame. It's not so bad, and it's also a lot of fun. So today, the team over at AAAWave.com sent me a 10 GPU mining frame. So I have cut the plastic, and we'll go ahead and unbox this together. I'll throw on some tunes, and you guys can enjoy me building this in 10 times speed, and then we'll review it at the end. I will be giving my honest opinion on the build, how it went, and then we'll end up building a rig in this in the near future. So let's go ahead, open this sucker up. This is as far as I've gotten. I don't know entirely what's inside of here. My guess is there is some fans. Oh, I see something falling out of the bag over here. Heck yeah, check this out. All right, let's take a look here. Oh my, look at those. What? Look at that. Holy cow, look at that. Oh my gosh, we have to see what that, we gotta take a closer look at that. Okay, so these are the P12s. We've used these on our other rig. This rig right here has the P12s back there running on it. So happy we have more of these because I am completely out of these cooling fans. I cannot wait to take a look at these. These look insane. What in the world? Okay, let's see what else we got. I was not expecting this stuff, so. All right, we got more of these. Nice. This is a ton of fans. I think this holds something like 12 fans, this case does. Oh yeah. These are all risers. I have not seen these yet at all. Holy cow. The orange looks awesome. Okay. So we got more risers, which is awesome. So it looks like we have, oh, sweet. This is a AAAWave supply adapter cable. Awesome. And what do we have here? Oh, dropping on the floor. Jeez. Okay, this is a 1-to-4 splitter. Ah, one of these. I have one of these. They work great. Okay, cool. So we have these. We have these. Let's take a look at these risers. I did not even know we were getting this. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Ooh, fancy sealed little bag. All right, let's see here. I just ripped it open like crazy. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is sick. This is AAAWave VER, so version 009S Pro. It's got 2, 4, 6, 8 capacitors on it. These are 270 E2 16 volt. It's got the butterfly clip on it, which is awesome. What we as miners love. Ooh, it's like strong too. It's got a nice click to it. It has the reinforced PCIe slot, which is great. We have our nice 6-pin connection, 6-pin connection, USB 3 with the gold-plated USB, and finally we have Molex. I feel like they should get rid of that. At least there's no SATA on here. This is nice. Has the foam pad on the bottom. We're definitely going to put this to the test to see if these foam pads fall off, like the GPU riser ones. It looks like there's some, yes. I think there's an indicator light on here. I'm trying to tell. We may, we do. Okay, so there's one, trying to show you in the top right hand corner here. There is an LED light here at 12 volt. It's under D3 on the board. There is a, oh, yeah, there's one right here. And then there's another one right here. Trying to see if there's any more. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. I was trying to tell. That's awesome though. This is cool. And then check out the PCIe adapter card. This one has an LED light on it as well, right here. PCIe 2 PCIe N09 is what they have labeled on there. There's our backside. Dude, I love this orange color. Got our cable. What is this? What is this? AAAWave. Get the hell out of here. These are pure garbage. Stop wasting your time and money on these. Do not use these, people. Do not use these. Nope. Get rid of that. We don't want it. That's what I say to that. But this is awesome. Thank you, AAAWave. I cannot wait to use these. Ah, awesome, awesome. Okay, so we don't even need to open the frame now. I mean, this is insane. But let me go ahead, get this cleaned up. We're looking at the Dredge 2 10 GPU mining frame from the crew over at AAAWave. So I'm gonna get this cleaned up and I'm gonna put on some music. I'm gonna get some cameras recording, and let's go ahead and build us a mining rig. Okay, so we are done. First off, we're short a fan. If anything, you could say we're short 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fans. I don't know how valuable fans would be at the bottom. But up top they do. So what I did with my fans is these fans are going to push the air across the cards towards you and I, which makes obvious sense. Then these fans I reversed to suck the air out. So like your heat kind of lingers within your mining rigs, and these fans will help to push them through. But I wanted to take these and push the air out. I thought that if I took these and pushed the air in, that it's just creating like this giant cyclone of air, and I thought this would be best for air movement. So these are going out. This one's going out. I'm gonna reach out to AAAWave, have them send me another one to be sent out here. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9 fans make total sense on this frame. I don't know that the bottom ones do. You guys tell me. I mean, yeah, it would give airflow to like the power supply and the motherboard down here, but it's an open case frame, so it's not really entirely necessary in my eyes at this point. But this case was pretty pleasant to actually go ahead and build. It's got the AAAWave on the side here. I like these side panels like all coming together. I really do like it. I mean, I built this one, and then we have built the 12 GPU frame from AAAWave as well. This one was definitely easier to build because the side panels were an entire setup, which was nice, and that worked out really nicely. But yeah, this was honestly pleasant. I want to see if I can get my hands on more of these because I'd like to see myself use these more. The 12 GPUs, you know, I'll use, but see the downside is like the standard is a, like, I shouldn't say standard, but traditional. You know, you see everybody using the H110 Pro, so it's 13 slots. Well, I can only run 12 in there, so one slot isn't being used. And then over here, we have a 10 GPU frame. Well, you know, how many boards are running 10 PCIs? But you also have to look, this is like real, like to do 10 in this case is really close together. Like a little too close together. So some of these like 3000 series cards, they're just too big. It's not going to fit in here. I just built this one the other day, and this one's a 6 GPU, and it's about the same size. So yeah, these could be a lot closer together, and that's on a Veta frame. So those could be a little closer together. So you could get away with 8, I would say, on here, but 10 is going to be crazy tight. I'm going to try it though. I am going to try it. I have RX 470s, 4 gigs that are mining Ravencoin right now. They've been mining Ravencoin for months. I'm going to attempt to put them in this case after I get the additional fans. So I'll reach out to AAAWave tonight and ask them about sending over those additional fans so we can get them installed when we actually do the full rig build on this. But this is really, really nice. If you guys are looking to get one of these, I'll put a link down below directly to these. It's pretty sweet. It's pretty sweet. Now what I noticed is, check this out. You see this? You know what that's for, right? We can stack a whole nother one of these right on top of it. So I'm gonna see if they can send me a few more of these so we can do the stack setup to see what that looks like and how that ends up working out. I think that'll be pretty sweet, but that's it, guys. This is the 10 GPU Dredge 2 frame from AAAWave. Go ahead and go check it out. I look forward to showing this off in a future video. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Take care.